Slide design option is available on A. Drawing tab. B. Formatting toolbar. C. Insert tab. D. All of these. Correct answer. B. Formatting toolbar. Which of the following is not a change text case in Word? A. Toggle case. B. Sentence case. C. Lowercase. D. Indent case. Correct answer. D. Indent case. Electronic devices after vacuum tubes are A. Battery. B. Transistors. C. Cell. D. Both A and C. Correct answer. B. Transistors. The study of tissues is called A. Cytology. B. Histology. C. Dermatology. D. Physiology. Correct answer. B. Histology. The range of normal blood pressure is A. 80/60ths. B. 120/80ths. C. 140/100ths. D. 130/110ths. Correct answer. B. 120/80ths.